Good morning. Today, I from Mukla Sanskrit Upsastri College, Bandhu Chapra Bhojpur, is going to tell you all about the future perfect tense through the online classes. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the future continuous tense, and today the we will do the future perfect tense. This is the last intense. Then we will start the models, means the voice in model. So let us start future perfect. So let us come to the composition of normal affirmative sentence, such as subject plus shall will plus have. As we already know that in perfect tense have is written, and the when is also much important that we only know the new thing which comes in shall will in the future perfect tense. Remember this: b3 plus object plus by plus object. Okay, so let us take an normal affirmative active sentence, such as he will have done this work. He will have done this work. Okay, so let us do the passive of the sentence. Let us do the passive according to our own composition. So this work is here as object. Let us do the subject here. So this work will, because it is a singular, so we are using here will plus have been plus done. No need of changing any verb because in the perfect tense we are using v3 form only. Remember this is a very important point. There is no another object, so you will use here by and him. So the passive of this sentence, he will have done this work, will be this work will have been done by him. Okay, I think you all have no any problem in this. If you have any problem you can ask through WhatsApp. So now let us do of negative sentence. There is no any change, as I have already tell you all that not always comes after the auxiliary verb, which is here as shall and will. So the not will come after this only. So we are adding the composition: subject plus shall will plus not plus have plus been plus b3 plus object plus by and plus object. Okay, so let us take an active sentence. uh, Raju will not have helped Usha. Will not have helped Usha. Okay, so let us make the passive of this sentence. As let us again go by our composition. Usha is here as object, so we will write Usha as subject. So Usha is a female name, it is a singular here, so we are using here will and then not, then have been, then again helped. There is no another object, so we are using here by Raju. So the passive of this negative sentence will be Usha will not have been helped by Raju. Uh, Now let us come to the interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentence, as I have already tell you, are those sentences whose answer we give in yes and no. So the composition of this will be nothing else. The auxiliary verb means shall will come first, then subject, then have been. We can simply write have been. You don't need to add here plus sign, plus v3, plus object, plus by, plus object, and then question mark. Remember this, very important, question mark. And interrogative sentence, interrogative plus negative, term and term plus negative. So let us take an active sentence. Will Sohan have eaten the food? This will be our interrogative sentence, that will Sohan have eaten the food. So let us make the passive of the sentence by our composition. The food is, let us write here the food. The food is a singular, so we will use here will. Will the food have been eaten according to the our composition? Eaten by Sohan. Okay. So this much. So this much is enough for today class. Try to do the other three sentences such as interrogative plus negative, term and term plus negative. The composition is not very much hard. In interrogative plus negative, add not after the subject and before the have been. In term sentences, add term before the auxiliary verb, and in term plus negative sentence, add term before the auxiliary verb and add not after the subject and before the have been. You will get the required composition, and try to make your own examples, and you can also use some good books for the reference. And if you all have any problem, you can ask me through WhatsApp. And in today class, the tense means the voice in the tense has end up. From tomorrow class we will start the models, and there are many others like models, and sometimes let also start like and some more sentences which we will deal in the next classes. So if you all have any problem, you can ask again through WhatsApp. Till that much time, have a nice day. Good day.